Hello, this is Craig Resnick coming to you from the 2022 ARC Advisory Group Orlando Forum. With me today is my special guest, Herman Obermair, who's the Senior Vice President of Andritz Automation. How are you today, Herman?
Fine, great show today.
Well, we're
Nice
thrilled
Nice
to have you at our forum, especially after the last 2.5 years of going through the pandemic. So it's great to be back live.
Yes.
And I think Andritz, I think of a company that is known for big machines, equipment manufacturer for like hydro and pulp and paper and metals, and kind of like what stands behind the global Andritz automation organization.
Yeah, Andritz Group is a huge company with 27,000 employees located around the world in 260 sites. And Andritz is out of this 1,800 engineers. And in 110 locations, we can offer our services, the automation solutions. And the annual turnover of the automation group is 650 million euros.
That's a very substantial sized company.
It's a very substantial size company, and nobody expected, because automation is not transparent to the outside.
What industries and type of customers do you address with your own digital products, solutions, and services?
Andritz Group itself has 4 divisions. This is hydro, this is pulp paper, this is metals and separation. And since many years, Andritz Automation is supplying the complete automation and digitalization products for this own internal business. And since January 2020, we are also allowed to sell this platform in process-related industries outside of the Andritz world. And this is the business what we are doing now.
Wow, that's very fascinating, because I know many technology suppliers always talk about a digitalization platform. So where do you, let's say function-wise, position your Andritz all-in-one digital solution?
Yeah, our Andritz all-in-one solution we offer to our customers as a platform which includes a lot of functionality. This means we start with asset performance management, with control performance assessment, with all of this nice stuff we are now using, and this on a hardware independent platform. This means we are not relying on a certain product. We have an open platform which is usable on classic industry PCs and is also using standard IOs. And for that, the platform is not only creating nice dashboards and KPIs, but also supports the customers to improve the control system, to improve AI implementations, to do all this stuff. At the end of the day, we want to improve the productivity, and we want to improve the complete technical system, and not only measuring data and showing KPIs.
One thing you mentioned going into the process industries, they're tending to use more of these open automation architecture solutions. So how open is the Andritz platform?
The Andritz automation platform is designed from the beginning as an open platform, never depending on any hardware supplier. Mm-hmm. This means all the developments are based on standard Microsoft development surroundings. We are using standard industrial PCs as runtime. We are using all the classic IOs from the market. And the openness continues by using standard protocols, which are around the world quite different, but we are using the OPCOA, we are using the Profinet, whatever the customer likes. And the openness continues with the architecture. The architecture gives the possibility to use this platform completely on site. This means on-prem. You can deploy this system also in a hybrid architecture, and also completely in a cloud infrastructure, because some customers have specific discussions to usage of cloud, and we are open to that and use this.
Yeah, I mean, it's really key and important that you're certainly leveraging open industry standards. And kind of like, what is the Andritz view to hardware independent solutions?
The hardware independence has for us two aspects. One aspect is that customer can choose completely his preferred supplier, that we are not depending to one system and there is no login. This is also a situation some of the big end users are facing. This is the one aspect of the hardware independence, and the other hardware independence aspect is that we are using this for local sourcing for our own machinery. We can use, for example, Chinese products to implement it in a Chinese project or whatever else is meant. And this gives the customer the freedom to be very flexible. And with that concept, we also have the possibility to upgrade existing brownfield architecture where we exchange just the CPUs and reuse existing IOs, connecting to them and improve the complete systems based on the existing IOs. This is also an aspect of the hardware independence, what is very, very, very often a huge benefit for the customer, not to invest in new cabinets and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Because what it really does is it really protects their investment, and and certainly stretches out the life cycle, which obviously means you're going to have the best return on investment for the customer.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think that's really a key point. And I would say I assume you consider that this openness and independent hardware technology is certainly a competitive advantage and a competitive differentiator for you.
Absolutely, we see it day by day.
Yeah, well, I can tell you, I think you're certainly going to have a lot of great market acceptance with the platform, and it was great having you today here, Herman. And
yes.
Welcome to the ARC Forum, and I hope to see you at our next one, and for many more to come.
Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being here. And again, this is Craig Resnick coming to you from the 2022 ARC Advisory Group Orlando Forum. Thank you so much. Have a great day.